Hello everyone, this is Mandy from KOMATCO. Today we are going to Luoyang Lutong factory. Let's go! This is a motor grader PY180C. Now let's check it out together. It is a 180 horsepower grader from Lutong brand. It weighs 16,000 kg. First, let's see the front part of it. The blade shape has been optimized. Its blade length is 3,964 mm, and its core length is 600 mm. This motor grader adopts a convenient and sensitive hydraulic control system with a blade lifting hydraulic control balance valve to increase operational safety and reliability. Let's keep going. Now let's see its cabin. Steel cab includes air conditioning system. All operations are hydraulically controlled and have a complete instrument monitoring system. The control is more flexible and comfortable. Now let's check its engine. It uses Cummins power. Its rated power is 132 kilowatts. It can provide great performance. This motor grader can also be equipped with front blade and rear ripper. If you are interested in it and want to know more details, please feel free to contact us.